Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to be showing you how I do my silk press. And I did go ahead and blow dry my hair off camera. And this is what it's looking like. First, I'm going to start out by dividing my hair into a few sections. I'm going to go ahead and take my Silk Infusion and my Sedu ceramic professional flat iron, and the flat iron does go up to 410 degrees Fahrenheit, so that is pretty much what I've been using on my hair, and my hair has been perfectly fine. You know, I don't have any damage, any breakage, so yeah, I do like to flat iron my hair a few times a year, especially during the cooler months. So that is what I am doing today. And yeah, just taking it section by section, applying my Silk Infusion as I go along, and I'm doing probably about 2 passes per section because I kind of wanted it to get pretty straight. So it's looking pretty good. So I'm going to go ahead and go through my whole entire head. I'm not going to talk through the whole video. I'm just going to let everybody watch. Pretty self-explanatory. If anybody has any questions, be sure to leave them down below. And if you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on the post notification bell so that you will never miss another upload. I am trying my best to upload every week, so hopefully that works out. But yeah, very excited to bring you guys some new videos. Stay tuned for my hair growth oil video coming up. So yeah, just go ahead and be sure to please like the video if you like it. Please show some love and like the video if you like it, so we can grow the channel. It'll motivate me to keep pushing out these videos for you. And yeah, just stay tuned. I hope everybody enjoys the video, and yeah, be sure to watch to the end, and yeah, I will see you in the next one.